Hello and welcome to Trivani Team Office Training. Today we will be talking about my website. Now if you're unfamiliar with this page, I'd like to introduce you on how to get here. If you click on the quick links over here on the left, you will be able to see the My Marketing Tools section. If you click on that link, that will bring up the page that we are looking at right now. Today we're going to be focusing on the My Website section of the Trivani Team Office. Let's click on that right now and go over and see the resulting page. As we look at this page, we see that these are my two available Trivani business websites. Today I will be focusing on Demonstration 2. Trivani Demonstration 2 is a site that I have set up just for this purpose today. If you want to go in and look at more information about this website, you can click on the button to the left and you will see that more information about that website displays below. The first of which is the site name. Many of you are very interested in the site name because this is the name that you market your business under. Most of you have a business website that is www.mytrivani.com/ and your business interest name. As you have logged into the new system, you have noticed that your personal website has been entered as your distributor identification number. If you would like to change it from your distributor identification number, this is the place where you would do it. I will go on in a minute and we will make a change and show you how to change your site name. You can also see the theme of your website. You can see that it's the Trivani Syndicate themed website. There is also a section here that shows the publishing of the website, as well as the date it was created, last updated, and last published. Let's go back up to the top and let's make a change to the name. To change the name of the site, you simply click Change. It will pull up a new window here that will show you new information. It shows you what needs to be in the name. We do not allow any spaces in this name. And you can use dashes and underscores though. So we don't want spaces, but you can have a dash or an underscore in this name. So I'm going to go ahead and change this name. I'm going to click on this link right here, and I'm going to erase the number 2. Just for safety's sake, I'm going to check availability and make sure that it is available. And it looks like that name is available. We can see right here that the website name that I wanted is there for me. Now I can go ahead and click Update, and as we go back, this page will refresh and I can see that mytrivani.com/demonstration is now my website name. If I click down here, I will see that it was last published on this date. Now I want to explain a little bit about the way the MyTrivani websites are published. There's an automated process on a server that will go through and it will find changes, and then it will post them to a queue for those changes to be made. There's an automated process that does this, and as you can see right now, my website is set to automatically publish. That is the preferred method because anytime you make a change, this process will watch for those changes and then publish your website. This process can take some time though, and if you're trying to make a change that you want to show up fairly quick, it can take a little longer than getting in line and telling the server that, hey, I have something I need published right now. We have provided a way for you to do that. If you click on the Change Publishing section right here, it will pull up a new window. This new window shows the two options. It shows automatic publishing and manual publishing. We don't want to change either of those right now, but I do want to draw your attention to this small icon down here in the text of the manual publishing area. It is a little world with an up arrow with publish next to it. If you were to click on that icon, you will see that your page will refresh. What you have just done is alerted the server that you have a change on your site that you would like to have published quickly. This will jump you into the queue and it will tell the server that you want your items published as quickly as possible. this will take a little less time than if you wait for the server to find the changes and update it on its own. So if you are in a hurry to get your items published, you can come here and you can push this button. And you notice I've pushed it a couple of times. I don't think that it will get my site published any faster, but it made me feel good. So you can click on this link right here, the little publish icon down in the manual text, and it will publish your website manually. Now let's go ahead and go back up to the Site Statistics tab, which is the first tab we were on, and I'm going to go ahead and open this back up. You can see now that my site has changed here to mytrivani.com/demonstration, and as I click, typically I will give it a few minutes before I click on the link to make sure that the change has been made. It does go through a publishing process, which can take, like I say, anywhere between 5 minutes and an hour, but typically it is much quicker than 5 minutes. So if you're a little bit patient with the publishing process, it just really depends on how many other distributors in the company are publishing their website at any given time. So that is our Trivani Team Office training moment for today. Thank you for joining in, and we look forward to seeing you on another Trivani Team Office training.